Good afternoon, everybody. This is Evangeline Supriya, working as an associate professor in the Department of H&S, SRIT Engineering College, Anantapur. Welcome to the Engineering Physics Lab. Today, the experiment we are going to perform is energy band gap of a semiconductor. First of all, what do you mean by semiconductor? A semiconductor is a material whose conductivity lies between insulator and conductor. A semiconductor is a material who will allow the flow of current partially. Silicon and germanium are the two best examples for the semiconductor. As you can see the circuit diagram in the figure, we can see the voltmeter, ammeter, PN junction diode, oven and thermometer. Now before going to perform, what do you mean by energy gap? The distance between conduction band and the valency band is nothing but energy gap. It is denoted by E suffix G and the units for the energy gap is electron volts. Now coming to the kit, we are seeing here voltmeter. An voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the voltage in terms of volts. An ammeter is a device which is used to measure the current in terms of amperes. Now we can see the oven, heater, thermometer and PN junction diode. Now here the thermometer is used to measure the temperature. Now the working of this experiment is by keeping voltage constant, that is 5 volts. For every 5-degree rise in temperature, we have to note down the values of current in the ammeter. Now the room temperature here is 30 degrees. Now we are placing the thermometer in the thermometer slot. Here you can see the, when you open this you will have the oven where thermometer slot is placed, so that by switching on the heater there will be a rise in temperature in the thermometer. Now as you can see this, the room temperature is 30 degrees. Slowly by heating the oven, the thermometer placed in the thermometer slot which is inserted below the oven is slightly it is increasing from 30 to 35, 35 to 40 and then 45 to 50. So for every 5-degree rise in temperature, we should note down the values of current in the ammeter which will be measured in micro amperes. Now when it reaches to certain value, that is a threshold value, you have to switch off the heater and you have to remove the thermometer. Now coming to the calculation, where Eg is given as 2 into 2.303 into K into slope by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 electron volt, where K is the Boltzmann constant, where you will have the value of 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Now, in order to find out the value of K, you have to calculate the values between, you can see here, you have to draw a graph between 1 by T and log R. How you can get these values? So from room temperature it is for every 5-degree rise in temperature means 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. This is in Celsius and you have to convert it in Kelvin, that is 303, 308, 313, 318, 323. Now we already measure the values of current. You have to write these values and you have to measure the capital R, that is resistance, log R, and you have to plot a graph between 1 by T and log R. Then you will get a line which is passing through the origin. From that you can calculate the x2, x1 and y2, y1. You have to calculate the slope value and you have to substitute that value in the energy gap value. Then you will get the value of energy gap. The semiconductor material which we have placed in this kit is germanium. That should be between from 0.5 to 0.8 electron volts. Thank you. Thank you.